first month, I lost about 12 pounds.
What I like best about that is the 10-minute workouts.
I'm feeling stronger, like getting up the stairs or standing up from a seating position. I think it's all those squats and reverse lunges that's really making the difference there.
The other thing I'm most proud of is being able to do sit-ups now. I never thought I could after my C-section.
So I plan this year to run the Peachtree Road Race for the 17th consecutive year, which I started doing when I turned 50.
I love the grocery videos. I like seeing what other people are eating. I've started doing the smoothies or shakes in the morning.
As Dr. Bob says, I'm living the dream, feeling better every day because I've developed a better routine to take care of myself.
And I would highly recommend giving it a try.
If you are interested in striving for just 1% better each day, I say go for it.